we want to present our report article about sport. My name is Putri Adamazara bin Muhammad Sufri.
My name is Nimkun Abdullah Najah bin Muhammad Sufri.
My name is Nasmin Nasir bin Nasir.
My name is Abidus Miguel bin Ahmad Khalid.
My name is Muhammad Abid Zain Gadir.
For the first article is by me. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Putri Adamazara bin Muhammad Sufri. I'm from Kuala Lumpur. I'm a sports reporter. Today I would like to share a news article with you all. This article, the title of this article is National Sports Day Celebrated Cheerfully. My article is National Sports Day. Why I choose this article because of it encourage people to live a healthy lifestyle and show the positive spirit of Malaysians in supporting sports activities. This article story about National Sport Days National Sport Day 2025 celebrated, which was held cheerful across Malaysia on October 11, 2025. The event aimed to promote a healthy lifestyle, encourage participation in sport and strengthen unity among Malaysians. The celebration involves 10 states, including Perak, Perlis, Pahang, Kelantan, Terengganu, Kedah, and others, with ministers and government officials officiating the event in each state. At Terengganu have many variant sports such as fun run, Zumba, cycling, soccer and strongman challenge were organized. The celebration reflected the strong enthusiasm and spirit of Malaysians towards sports and healthy living. In this article, we need to highlight 4 components. Thanks. For the first, singular subject. In my article, have 21 singular subject. I will give 5 examples of singular subject. For the first, National Sport Days was celebrated. National Sport Day. Malaysians, Perak, Kedah, Perlis, Kelantan, Pahang, and Terengganu, and Bulatan Sultan Azlan Shah. Next component is plural subject. Have 5 plural subject. For the first, were had, and then floated were involved and Malaysians. Next component is present perfect tense. In my article have 1, which is has been celebrated. And last past perfect tense have 2, which is the organizers had prepared and the volunteers had trained. That's all from me. Thank you.
The second article is by me, Nimkun Abdullah Najah bin Muhammad Sufri. I choose the topic Purely Athena won the second championship. Okay. This news article reports on the success of Malaysian women's double pair, Purely Athena, who won the Arctic Open Badminton Championship in Vantaa, Finland. Purely Athena defeated the third seeded Japanese pair in just 32 minutes with straight scores of 21-7 and 21-9, showing a dominant and error-free performance. This article also highlights their consistency throughout the season, having finished as runners-up 3 times. After their yearly win at the Thailand Open, this victory in Finland marks their first European title of the year. In this article, I highlight 4 tenses, which is singular subjects, plural subjects, past perfect, present perfect tense, and past perfect tense. For the first tense is singular subject. I choose it.
Kalau ada sali, kalau tak pasal nak.
Saya juga cakap Miss.
Kalau nak tengok boleh, cuma takut kalau boleh terus spot dekat mana, it's okay lah. Tapi tak nak sali tunjuk.
For singular subject, I choose this victory and their triumph. For plural subject, I choose Puritan and Pina. They opponents their pair and they were thrown. For present perfect tense, I choose it. I highlighted have also finished. This victory has shown and the pair have also finished. And the last one, past perfect tense. In my article, the second one, which is they had defeated. I choose this article because it highlights the success of national athlete Puritan and Pina, who have brought pride to Malaysia on the world stage. It also be an inspiration for others to work hard for success and prove that Malaysia remains strong in the sport of badminton. That's all from me.
Okay. Hey, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hafiz Zain Kadir. I choose the topic Harimau Malaya winning streak in Bukit Jalil. Right. First, I choose this topic because right now this topic is hot among the Malayan Tigers supporters. This topic also wants to prove that the Malayan Tiger team has returned to its prime under the tutelage of Peter Klemovsky. About the issue of the Malaysian football team, which has now become the focus of the public and of the countries because it has made a very surprising surprise. Without delegacy, players who have been questioned by FIFA, the Malaysian football team is able to give great competition to the Malaysian local players. The Malaysian football team is currently ranked 119 in the world and has won matches without losing. This is have 4 tense. First tense is singular subject. My singular subject in article. First, squad, reminder, team, and needs. Second tense, plural subject. Plural subject in article by 4. First, supporters, continue, captain, and fans. Third, present perfect tense. Only one. Counted on. Counted on. Once on. Okay. Last, past perfect tense. Only one. Is proud. Proud. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Azmin Azim Binazudin. My title for the article is Men's Bowling Sport, Mixed History, Bad Luck for Women's Bowling Sport. The reason why I choose the article about bowling because I love playing bowling, and if get a chance, I would like to play for Malaysia team. Okay, here we go for the article. In 40 January 2024, Men's Bowling Squad have made history by winning their competition in Hong Kong. By winning the competition in Hong Kong, Malaysian men's bowling squad Malaysia is one of the giants for the bowling, not in Asia but only but in the world. Bad luck for the women bowling squad because they only can finish the competition, which is the runner-up. But one of our women's player win the individual event for bowling for the competition. My single subject is the national bowling squad, the success and order. Further subject, the 2 championship titles, 2 runner-up titles, Malaysia and others. Perfect tense, obtain, prove and display. For the past perfect tense, select as the champion, they had to lose. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Akhilesh Rahman, and today I will share about my news article, Badminton and the World. Why I choose this article? This is because badminton is my favorite sport, and I want to prove that badminton is still exists these days. So, let me share about this article. These days, badminton has always become a popular sport among people in the world. Some may love the sport, and some others may does not, and based on their perspective and opinion. However, this sport can also become one of the most favorite sports among people. Back to the mid-19th century, the badminton was called battledore and shuttlecock was first played in Dukes of Beaufort Estate back in 1873 and soon to be made as badminton like the modern days. The successful figure in the badminton who that we know is Lee Chong-wei and Lin Dan, who dominated the men's singles, while for the female actress who is actively dominating the game was Susie Susanti, Gao Lei, and Lin Sindhu. The successful of these athletes are the proof of the successful badminton in the world. And today, badminton can be played without age restrictions, from children to adults, and from students to colleges. As a result, the badminton is not only the sport, but also a part of the social life in society. And for the dancers, for the singular subject, I found here is people, battledore and shuttlecock, Lee Chong-wei, Lin Dan, Susie Susanti, Gao Lei, and Lin Sindhu. For the plural, I found the space, sports, British India, British England, Duke of Beaufort Estate, legendary students and colleges. And for simple professional dances, I found base, play, development, name, singles, and dominate. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
The conclusion, because the conclusion why we choose the squad in squad because
this issue very important and hot and whether in now.
that's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.